What's going on, guys? It's Dave here from Sneaky, and today we're installing a pair of crease guards into these Air Force One Off-Whites University Gold. As you already know, Air Force Ones are very prone to creasing on the toe box. So we're going to have a pair of crease guards installed in those that's going to reinforce the toe box and make it stronger and prevent it from creasing. So we're going to be using crease guards by Sneaky Clean. Each box comes with 2 pairs. And then we're going to install those for you right now. So we're going to install the right side of the shoe. To get that going, we have to release the laces of the shoe to allow us to get in there. These are really easy to install. So that's it. 1, 2, 3, we're done. On the inside of the shoe, we have the crease guards installed in here, which prevents the shoes from creasing. You see? Try to bend that. It's not going to bend. It's not going to crease anymore compared to, see how soft and flimsy that is as compared to this.